What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So, one of the requests I get quite often is simply to take a ride at night in a point of view situation in the Tundra and let us see what the interior illumination looks like. And you know what? We also took care of a couple other things last night. First off, I went for a ride. I had to go run an errand, and I figured I would mount the camera up on the sunroof and turn it on and drive to do what I got to do. Now, although it's a very basic video, it's something that a lot of you guys want, because what you're getting out of this video is not what does the vehicle look like at night as far as interior illumination, which to me, the Tundra, although a lot of you say the dash is outdated, the instrument cluster is outdated, one thing I like about the Tundra is the simplicity of the dash. Everything that's lit up is functional. It's what you're going to use. You got your infotainment system, your climate control, and obviously everything you need to drive the truck. There's not a lot of extra buttons lit up. In fact, we actually give Toyota a little bit of crap on that one, because some lights that aren't lit up are stuff like the lock and unlock button. So there are a few lights that are missing, but overall it's a really nice basic layout. So I give them credit for that. I don't like vehicles with a lot of instrumentation lit up. Some of them look like a Boeing 747 at night. But anyway, there's other things in this video I want you to check out. We did a little bit of highway traveling in this video for a short period of time, slower local traveling, 50 mile an hour, 2-lane, 3-lane highway traveling. We did a lot of different things. So the question I always get from you guys is, mind you, I didn't talk through the whole thing. It's just you're listening for the truck. What do the tires sound like on the road? Is there a lot of road noise? The engine sound, the exhaust sound, is the supercharger annoying? All of that stuff you will see in this video, and you can determine if there's just too much noise going on for that truck. We got up to speed a little bit. We did some low speed traveling. We cruised at 50, 55. Like I said, we were on the highway. So check it all out and let me know what you think, and then we'll come on back and talk about it. Now, one thing you have to admit, no matter if you like the Tundra or not, is it's a well put together truck. You never hear any dash rattles or anything shaking while you're driving inside the truck. It's just a nice, smooth ride, even with everything going on with the exhaust, the supercharger, the tires, everything. I really like the sounds that are coming from the truck. Nothing too crazy, nothing too obnoxious. The TRD dual exhaust does its job. Without giving too much noise. There's not a lot of drone. We didn't do a lot of highway travel in this video, but there's not a lot of drone. You kind of just get used to it after a while. You don't really hear the exhaust until you're, trying to pass a car, or same thing with the supercharger when you're getting up to speed. So let me know what you think about the sounds coming from the Platinum Pro Tundra. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day.